everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a locked folder on Google Photos so you can lock your photos behind a password or something like that on your Android phone. So you can see photos and videos in locked folders are hidden and won't show up as you scroll through Google Photos or in any other gallery app on your phone. So you can set this up right here, and to get here it's very easy. So locate Google Photos somewhere. So it could be just somewhere on here. Mine is in the Google folder. Here's Photos. Now go to Collections. Scroll line down and you got Locked. Now here, go to Set Up Locked Folder. And go to Settings. So it says Set Screen Lock on the device. So you got to set a screen lock on your device. Otherwise it won't allow you to do this. So depending on your device, you're going to go to the screen lock and enable this. So let me see where my screen lock options are right here. And I don't think it's under here. It's actually under a different section. So I'm going to have to go to settings and do that once again. So let's swipe on down from the top right and go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And then we can set it up right here. I'm just going to do a quick pattern and then set this up. And I can go to it now. Got it. And then type this in, go to confirm. And I don't need a fingerprint. Another thing that you could add is privacy protection. You could add this on. And you can pick applications specifically to lock. So if you don't want people entering the photo gallery, you can do that too. So we can go to next here. Not now. And this is on my Xiaomi phone, but I can go to photos on here. And I can just lock photos behind a certain application. So we can view it under here. So we can go back now, go to Photos, Set Up Locked Folder. Alright, now I can enter in a lock screen. It says Do Not Backup or Turn On Backup. I'm going to go to Turn On. And then you can move items into this folder now. Select it, go to Move. Continue. I don't need to back anything up. Can move it to the lock folder, and now it's in here, and you can view it at any point in time by going to lock, and then you get to type in this password. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.